You are no longer two, but one. So in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, indeed, you are husband and wife. At balik nga, talikod kayo, sangon niyo suda. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege and my distinct honor and my pleasure to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Sandy Dayaga. Groom, Mr. Sandy, you may now officially kiss. Michelle. Oh, kamera.
Wait lang. 1, 2. Isa pa.
Oh, yun.
Alam nyo. Last.
Oh, ang boss natin kasi dito, yung mga cameraman, kaya sundin natin.
1, 2.